Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make someone a Facebook group expert. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about this process, then check out our more detailed blog post on roihacks.com, where we also share some additional information that we're not gonna mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook group marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial: if you want to grow your Facebook group, get more organic reach without running ads, then check out our Facebook group growth checklist that you can download from our website roihacks.com, and now it's completely free. Links to the 38-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so if you want to make someone a Facebook group expert, all you have to do is open up the Facebook group and click on the people or the members tab, and here you're going to see all the Facebook group members that you can make Facebook group expert, and search for the person you want to make an expert in the Facebook group. Next to their name you can see these three dots, select that, and as you can see, click on add as group expert, and as you can see, once you click on this add expert button, a request will be sent to this person, and if they accept this role, then they will receive a badge next to their name in the Facebook group discussions. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook group growth checklist, so you can get 38 checkpoints we use to 10x the number of members in a Facebook group. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add Facebook group growth checklist. Also, if you want to know more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook group, make sure to check out our Facebook group marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see in the screen here. See you next time.